Hello and welcome to back Motorhome viewers. You're watching DreamCarViews, your ultimate destination for luxury automotive experiences. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our updates. Today, we're going to dive into something truly special, the SkyCruiser X9, also known as the luxury villa on wheels. This is not just a motorhome. It's a statement of elegance, technology, and craftsmanship. Imagine taking your dream home on the road, and that's exactly what the SkyCruiser X9 offers. It redefines mobile living by blending 5-star comfort with the freedom to travel anywhere. Let's begin with the exterior. The SkyCruiser X9 features a futuristic aerodynamic design that immediately grabs attention. Its massive panoramic windshield provides a wide and open view of the road ahead, while the sleek LED lighting and chrome accents add a touch of sophistication. With smooth curves and a powerful stance, it's clear this vehicle was designed to turn heads. The body is built using lightweight yet durable materials to ensure strength without compromising performance. Now, step inside and you'll be amazed. The interior is where the SkyCruiser truly becomes a mobile villa. The living area welcomes you with plush leather couches, handcrafted wooden finishes, and high-quality materials everywhere you look. Whether you're relaxing with a book or entertaining guests, the spacious lounge gives you the feel of a luxury hotel suite. Moving to the kitchen, it's fully equipped for gourmet cooking. You get a full-sized refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, a deep stainless steel sink, and generous counter space made from polished Corian. There's plenty of cabinet space for storing all your ingredients and utensils, so you'll never feel like you're compromising your meals while traveling. Next, we enter the bedroom. Your personal haven on wheels. It features a king-sized bed fitted with premium linens and soft lighting that creates a peaceful ambience. There are large wardrobes and drawers for your belongings, and thanks to sound insulation, you'll enjoy quiet and undisturbed sleep no matter where you park. The bathroom in the SkyCruiser X9 is equally luxurious. It includes a full-sized shower with a glass enclosure, a vanity with stylish lighting, and a composting toilet system with odor control fans and charcoal filtration. It's designed to make sure your daily routine feels just as comfortable and private as at home. Now let's talk about entertainment. This mobile home includes a 24-inch HD Smart LED TV, a full surround sound system, and multiple charging ports including USB and USB-C. Whether you're watching a movie, playing music, or working remotely, the SkyCruiser X9 has everything you need for productivity and pleasure on the go. Performance-wise, the SkyCruiser X9 is powered by a high-performance diesel engine that ensures a powerful yet smooth drive. It includes an advanced air suspension system that glides over bumps and rough terrain with ease. The driving experience is enhanced with features like adaptive cruise control, real-time GPS navigation, and a digital driver display that keeps you informed and in control at all times. Finally, let's talk about the price. With all these high-end features, luxury materials, and advanced engineering, the SkyCruiser X9 comes at a premium price tag around $3.1 million. But for those who value freedom, comfort, and style without limits, it's worth every cent. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the SkyCruiser X9. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to DreamCarViews. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss another update from our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and features from the world of dream vehicles.